Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to change the bulb on a 03 Tundra marker bulb and turn signal. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Remove this screw, it's a Phillips head. Set it aside, and then you're going to grab this lamp. Now I like to use, sometimes I'll use a body tool, I don't have to on this one. So it's just pull it towards you. And there's the marker light. Push down the tab, release the electrical connector. Now there's the socket. You're going to twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. That bulb should be a 3157A. That's for amber, an amber bulb. You place it back in the socket. Line up the 4 marks. They're sized, so you'll find it as it goes around. Clockwise, lock it in. Reconnect the tab. Then I'm just going to guide it straight in. Putting these 2 tabs right there on that. Come on. There we go. There we go. There's also a key tab over here. Replace the Phillips screw. Just snug it down. It's a plastic ear. Ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.